Why Zowietek 4K NDI HX3 POV box camera will transform your live streaming setup. Feeling frustrated with your current live streaming setup? Laggy feeds, complicated wiring, or low-quality video can ruin your content and stress you out. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Drop a comment below. Many creators struggle with complex setups, but there's a solution that simplifies everything while delivering professional-grade video performance. Long streaming sessions and juggling multiple platforms can be overwhelming. Poor video quality and clunky hardware only add to the chaos. Imagine a setup that reduces cables, simplifies control, and streams crystal-clear 4K video simultaneously over HDMI, SDI, and NDI HX3 without needing a PC. Suddenly, live streaming, webcasts, and teaching sessions become seamless and stress-free. The Zowietek 4K NDI HX3 POV box camera is a compact powerhouse for professional live streaming, webcasts, gaming, teaching, and corporate meetings. Its back-illuminated 1/2.3 inches 8-megapixel CMOS sensor delivers 4K UHD video with accurate colors and enhanced low-light performance. Simultaneous HDMI, 3G SDI, and NDI HX3 outputs offer versatile connectivity, while PoE Plus power reduces cable clutter for clean setups. The camera features a native M12 autofocus lens mount and interchangeable lenses for flexible perspectives. Users love the intuitive Zowietek web interface, allowing control of exposure, white balance, focus, color temperature, bitrate, and streaming protocols from PC, tablet, or phone. It supports RTSP, RTMPs, and SRT for direct streaming to YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, acting as a standalone encoder without a computer. Gyroscope detection and multiple tripod mounts enable vertical or portrait streaming with automatic orientation correction. One live streamer shared that mounting the camera overhead transformed their POV shots instantly, while another noted how the PoE feature allowed a clutter-free setup in tight spaces. Here's a bonus tip. Combining NDI HX3 with SDI lets you stream internally and externally simultaneously, maximizing workflow efficiency. The Zowietek POV box camera delivers unmatched efficiency, flexibility, and performance for professional and hobbyist live productions. Experts and users praise its multi-output capability. A professional integrator said, "The NDI HX3 feed integrates seamlessly into our IP workflow, while SDI provides a clean broadcast feed, everything from one compact camera." Its PoE Plus feature simplifies installation in hard-to-reach places, reducing setup time and cable clutter. Live streaming enthusiasts highlight the standalone streaming functionality, enabling direct broadcast to platforms like YouTube and Twitch without a computer, providing redundancy in case of system failure. Educational content creators rave about the image clarity, autofocus, and remote Zowietek control, noting smoother lecture capture and better student engagement. Event specialists value the camera's durable metal housing and versatile mounting options, while tech reviewers emphasize its high-resolution 4K sensor, low-latency NDI HX3 protocol, and flexible M12 lens system. One user described setting it up in a ceiling mount for a lecture hall and streaming directly to multiple platforms simultaneously with no PC, simplifying what previously required multiple devices. Another noted the vivid colors and sharp details even in challenging lighting conditions. Which feature would enhance your production most? Flexible outputs, PoE simplicity, or 4K clarity? Comment below and share your thoughts. The Zowietek 4K POV box camera proves professional-level streaming is now effortless. Act now. Professionals and content creators are upgrading their setups with the Zowietek 4K NDI HX3 POV box camera. Stream directly to YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch with one compact device, simultaneously using HDMI, SDI, and NDI HX3 outputs. Click to unlock the secret tip that enhances workflow efficiency and ensures crystal-clear, low-latency 4K video for every production. Whether you're live teaching, gaming, or webcasting, this camera is your all-in-one solution. Don't wait. Experience effortless professional streaming today.